Kor Kapatisi TV.
Puli MBBS ha India ne Shabal ri kum ha Russia, Uzbekistan, Georgia, China, Philippines bat kiwe de kiri. Kidi kitop medical colleges bat ru ha kador babiang.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ulat ke jila UCH Vijayankar hakar pulai truk unai Thung arajarat pustan ulat Thung kitan rai Dieng saudong kieng dor bar Thymmai ba Thymmai kebadan hagashnong mau Dieng hakar pulai truk unai Thung arajarat pustan hakar program la penlong dari kieng dor bar Thymmai ke jila ringkat ke jangan trelang ba katran klau ke sorkar jila hakani gesngi asa kilang do menteri ramba ke jila konrad ki sangma ki menteri sorkar ulam phang ke ying darbar Thymmai Thomas e sangma kin thopru ki amli ne ki seng sang perthei pa pher ulam phang ke ying darbar le tho biya ki ni kitin rai Dieng bla Thung ons ai nam ha ke Kyrteng jong ki amli ki ying darbar Thymmai ke ban long kum kadak ban pinne ye ke jingjer ngam jong ke jila Meghalaya.
This tree plantation program is not merely a symbolic gesture. It is a pledge to safeguard our environment, to respect the balance of nature, and to nurture the natural heritage of our beautiful state. The new Legislative Assembly complex, now becoming a green beacon, stands as a testament to the values of sustainability and resilience and harmonious development. We are especially heartened by the participation of all the honourable members of this House, reflecting the unity of purpose in our pursuit of a cleaner, greener and healthier Meghalaya. And also would like to inform everybody that the trees that we have planted today by all the honourable members and our honourable Governor, Chief Minister, honourable ministers and honourable members, your names will be engraved on that particular tree as to show that we have made this commitment across all party spectrum to show our solidarity towards greener Meghalaya.
These trees that we are planting here, as mentioned by Honourable Speaker, is not just an occasion where we're just planting a tree. This will be here for decades and maybe centuries to come. MLAs, ministers, before us and after us may never get an opportunity like this to be part of history, to be part of this moment where we may not have been physically involved in the construction of the assembly building, but we have been now made a part of this history which will be echoing in eternity. And even after many decades, yourself, your children, maybe your grandchildren, will actually come and look at that tree that you planted today and point at it and said, well, this was planted by my mother, my father, my grandfather, my grandmother. And I think that is something very special for us all. And as I mentioned, I don't think any other MLAs have had this opportunity or will have this opportunity for many, many decades, I should say. So I would like to thank the Honourable Speaker for his very gracious gesture of coming out with this idea, where he has, as I said, for eternity made us part of this assembly. And it's also symbolic because it also goes with our entire issue and all the aspects of environmental issues that we are facing. It's a very strong message that yes, as legislatures, we are together when it comes in the interest of our state. And more importantly, as legislatures, we are together when there are global challenges like climate change that we are facing. Today, you must have all noticed that climate change is for real. Even this year itself, I'm sure you've noticed, we have had huge deficiency in rain. Our power minister has mentioned earlier, about a week back, I was reading his article where he mentioned about the rain deficiency. It's a real matter of real concern. Cherrapunji is also facing the same. The heaviest rainfall in the world, Mawsynram, Sora area, is today facing huge deficiency of rain. And I think all of us have seen the level of Umiam reservoir is very low. It's not because, we're releasing water continuously, but there is no water coming in either. So we are facing challenges, and these are for real. And things are only going to get worse, as we all are aware. And hence, this program is very symbolic, very important, and sends a very strong message from all the legislatures that we also should set an example of taking that step towards doing our part to do whatever we can to reduce the impact of climate change. Mr. Speaker, sir, has been discussing. We are very hopeful. We had some delays because there are a lot of technical issues in terms of technology and all these aspects for the new hall. The hall part is what is creating a bit of more work for us, because we are looking at security aspects. We're looking at the sound quality. It's a big hall, so there's a lot of reverb, a lot of echo. So it requires special padding and different kind of sound acoustics to be done, so on and so forth. I don't want to go into details, but I'm hopeful that very soon we'll be able to enter this particular assembly also. So that's something that we all are looking forward to.
First and foremost thing, whenever you go for plantation, first thing you have to keep in mind, always give importance to the native species. Always you have to give importance to the native species. Native species. And second thing, I tell you, whenever I speak outside the Meghalaya, always I used to tell, Meghalaya is a hub of Ayurveda, hub of medicinal plants. Whether it is true or not, it is a hub of medicinal plants. So in that way, I request to the government, you see that maximum importance, whenever you go for plantation, you should give importance to the medicinal plants, which can survive at least 25 years, which can survive 50 years, which can survive more than 100 years. Just now, the plant, whichever we have been planted, our forest officers and including Chief Minister and Speaker also told, it is a best medicinal plant. It is going to be used for cure the cancer, to cure the cancer. Such medicinal plants we have to safeguard, we have to save in the state of Meghalaya. Second importance, we have to give for medicinal plants. And third importance we have to give for endangered species. Make the list of the native species of Meghalaya, out of which we treat, whichever the tree is endangered. It is our prime and foremost duty to see that we have to safeguard it. We have to protect it. Endangered species, we have to give maximum importance. And last one, avoid monoculture. Avoid monoculture. Monoculture, it leads to ecological imbalances. It leads to ecological imbalances. In that way, I am not against to any kind of tree, but ultimately monoculture We have to totally avoid it. We have to avoid it. These are the things I have to bring it to your notice. Rest of the other issues we can discuss later on.
Wat penleno yakni kakabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu sao po hajar hadu hnriu po hajar tingka menta phila banyo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar seneng pinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata ka wei ka sopti ka de ka wei ka design tang na ka benta jongpi wan jit nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran pho no menta hau khandai sao lai hnriu san pra hinyo lai pra